infinitesimal level. So when you look at pantheism, you look at panentheism, and you look at panpsychism, they all have this sort of philosophy of an external divine intervention, but from quite a peculiar perspective.
Sure.
Pantheism has this idea of synonymous with divinity. Panentheism have this internal, external, intrinsic, extrinsic factor. And panpsychism has this philosophy of consciousness existing on an infinitesimal level. Now, when we get into areas like animism, right, which sort of implements a spirit and a soul in what's tangible or intangible, inanimate or inanimate, organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that move and things that don't move.
Yeah, spiritual and temporal.
Right. And then Gnosticism, of course, which is sort of affinitized to mythological mediums. So when you look at it objectively, it's hard to give an objective analysis of what reality is or what it is we're experiencing, because everyone have quite a peculiar idea of what reality is. And I mean, look at solipsism. Solipsism has this postulation that all external stimuli is a mirrored reflection or projection